राज्यात शाळेच्या भुरग्यांमदी ई सिगारेट्सांचे प्रमाण वाढिल्ल्याच्या घडणुकांची दखल घेत गोय बाल हक्क आयोगान हे विशीं डीजीपीक पत्र बरयलां। ह्या पत्रांत जे कोण ही ई सिगारेट्स विकतात तांचेर कारवाय करपाची मागणी आयोगान केल्या। येणाऱ्या काळात हे विशीं शाळा आनी पालकां मदीं जागृताय घडोवन हाडटले अशें गोय बाल हक्क आयोगाचे अध्यक्ष पीटर बॉर्जेस हांणी सांगलें।
सध्या गोंयांत शैक्षणिक संस्थांनी गैरप्रकाराच्या घडणुकांमदी बरीच वाड जाल्या। शाळा, कॉलेजी, हायर सेकंडरीनी भुरग्यांकडे ड्रग्सा सयत ई सिगारेट्स मेळपाक लागल्यात। फाटल्या म्हयन्यात दिवचलच्या शांतादुर्गा उच्च माध्यमीक विद्यालयातले पेपर स्प्रे प्रकरण गोंयभर बरेच गाजिल्ले। ह्या प्रकरणाच्या तपासात एका चलयेच्या बॅगात ई सिगारेट सापडिल्ले। देखून हे अशे वाडटे प्रकरणाची दखल घेत गोय बाल हक्क आयोगान डीजीपीक पत्र बरोवन ई सिगारेट्स विकप्यांचेर खर कारवाय करपाची मागणी केल्या। आयोग शाळा आणि पालकां खातीर जागृताय कार्यावळी आयोजित करपाचे आसात।
So substance use has been a concern for the commission, and we are already grappling with drug abuse, substance abuse in the state of Goa, which is lately seen as a big time issue among school students. In the recent times we have seen this new issue of vaping, which is being noticed in school. Several schools have brought to our notice, and they have highlighted us that this is the issue, that a lot of students are found vaping in the school premises, and some of them have found also vaping products with the students. So which is why we thought, since this is a new issue where there is not much knowledge within the public domain, and not many are aware of how to handle, not many have seen the products themselves. So I thought there is a need to prohibit the use of it, because as per Electronic Cigarette Act 2019, the sale of e-cigarette is banned. So I have written to the Director General of Police to ban or to go to the stores where this is sold and get it raided, because the supply itself is prohibited. We are also going to do massive awareness on this particular subject. We have already scheduled a program on 25th on this subject matter. We are going to also have an advisory to schools on how to respond to vaping when they notice similar incidents in their school setting. There is need also for the public to bring to our knowledge, because this is something illegal and it's very difficult to find out where it is being sold. So if public has any information on this sale of vapes surrounding school setting, to be precise, they can contact commission, and then we will ensure that action is taken on this matter.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकार।